A couple of weeks ago, I received a random call from UNN. I think that's University of Nigeria or something. A lady trying to calculate her CGPA. She had been using this app before, but she changed her phone. She now called me. I think she went through the built by Genius down here, and from there to my portfolio, then got my WhatsApp number, my business number there. So she placed the call. I just received the random call. I was like, okay. The way she didn't even introduce herself. She just went straight to, hello sir, can I save my transcripts and get it on another phone? I changed my phone. Yes, she started with I changed my phone. In my mind, I was like, okay, because why would a random number just call me and start with I changed my phone? You change your phone, did my number appear on your new phone? So she was like, I changed my phone. Can I access my CGPA on the new phone? In my mind, I started putting one or two together. I was like, oh, okay. Then I said, where are you calling from? Said UNN, 200 level. Okay. What app are you using to calculate it? She said, somebody gave her a website. I said she should call it out for me. She did, and it's this app I built in 2018 or 2019. I told her such feature is not available now, so she should check back after some weeks. She was disgruntled, or how do I say, she was reluctant. She just said, okay. From there, I just opened my notes app. I have a place I write the list of project ideas I have. So I wrote it down here that I will rebuild this application. On this one, like I said, it was built when I was learning, or let me say the early days of React. So it's kind of rigid. I went to the code base. I was like, okay, there's a lot of hacking here. So I went through the app. I saw how it's working. Then it's rigid, but it was good. Then I can remember this app got second position in Next. What was that program? TechNexus. Yes, TechNexus by ICS. Then it got second position. So I went through how the app works and all, and I can see it's so rigid and okay, but it was working and it is still working. So you can see instructions everywhere. You delete a course, it asks you to click calculate again. Too many instructions, too many things going on in the background. You can reset. It takes you to one course. Say you insert 2 here, grade as B. So you have to click the calculate before it will calculate your CGPA. Say it is A. You click it again. It calculates your CGPA. You can add courses. Then you can switch to the people using to the system of 5.0, like this, or 4.0 rather. So it changes mechanism. You will see grades have increased here now. So, well, this was basically it, and it was working. Yeah, that's the major thing. I went through the code base and I was like, I cannot work on this again. It's more like I was using it to learn. So I built this as the new version. I think it's quite modern and better than the old one. Let's start from up here. It has, you can switch the system just like the previous one, but it's in a different way. If you switch the system here, you see, it switched entirely the old calls and everything. However, you can change to the previous system and you still retain your data. The old stuff you have, still retain it. So that's one thing about it. You can add semesters. You can chunk these old transcripts into semesters or years. As you can see, I named this year 1, semester 1, year 2, semester 2. Also, it has this toggle for dark mode and light mode. Some people like me, we use dark mode a lot. So once you enter the app, it detects your system, your phone or system mode. If it is dark, it adapts to that dark. If it is light, it adapts to the light. Then it remembers your last choice. So you don't have to be changing all the time. The last one you used will be the last one it will continue to use until you change it again. That's about that. I've cleared the whole board. Let me start from a plain slate. So let's say when you enter the app, this is what you have, a clean slate. Now, say you got a C in a course, ICS 402, then it is 3 units. It calculates your CGPA immediately and tells you your class of degree. Then you can, this is year 1, semester 1. Then you can go for add semester, year 1, semester 2. If you increase it again, you have year 2, semester 1. Then, and it goes like that for 20 years. Definitely you will not spend 20 years in school, but I just added it in case you cannot spend 20 years in school studying one course. When you are not studying Ushurunga Science in Edo State University. You can add here too. You have C again. Why am I choosing C all the time? Then 2 unit course. Then year 1, semester 2. You have A, and it is 6 unit course. You can see it moves. Let's add another course to year 1, semester 1. And it is A with 6 units. You see? Another one, A with 3 units. When you hit first class, it gives you this confetti. So the shine for you to enjoy your first class. It's not easy to attain that level. Easy to calculate and works just as it should. And you can edit semester names. For example, you want to just calculate yearly and not by semesters. You can rename this. You can rename a semester to, let's say, year 1, year 1. And yeah, it's year 1 now. And this to year 2. Then this to year 3. Anyhow you want it, then you stop editing here. Anyhow you want it, it goes for you. So you can delete semesters, you can delete years, you can delete as you want. It works like this. You see, it's gone. So you can also clear all. I won't be trying that now, but this is the button. Then on courses, the same thing. You can add course and remove it. Your current GPA is calculated per the selected semester. Then the total units you've been getting, the total units you've worked on. For example, this one is 6 units. The total units in this semester, then the total overall units is always the same on each page. Then, yeah, to add what the lady requested, what prompted the rebuilding of the project, I added this. You can save your transcript to cloud. But before that, let's view transcripts. If you are not logged in, you won't be able to view your original transcripts. So, but this is how it will be displayed. Like a PDF. Let me switch to view transcripts. Yeah, in a PDF format, you can view it this way. If you have more semesters, it's listed and everything is calculated accurately. Let me add that. So this is how it is. But let me try and log in for you to see how it works. If you click on save to cloud, if you're not logged in, it takes you to login page where you log in, or you can continue with Google if you want. Let me continue with Google here. Yeah, I'm logged in now. So once you are logged in, you have options to save to cloud, import transcript from cloud. Say you have it saved on another phone, you can log in on another device and import that transcript, and it will fill up whatever you have in local. You don't have to keep using one phone like that lady. So let me try and save this to cloud. Save to cloud. It will warn you that's the warning, and it has been saved, just as easy as anything. And let me say I cleared everything here now. Everything is cleared. It's back to 0. Then this is just like trying to display that it's on another phone. So let me import from cloud. You can see it's imported whatever we exported to the cloud. You see the courses are still the same, and just like that. I think this one is way better, and I would say it is the best web-based CGPA calculator you'll see out there. I haven't explored the list of mobile apps available for calculating CGPA, so I wouldn't know if it's better than some mobile app CGPA calculators. But I can assure you that on web, this currently is the best CGPA calculator out there. That should be it for now. Thank you for watching. Review transcript. Yeah, I just wanted to show you on light mode. It's quite dope. What else does it do? Yeah, let me switch system again. You see, it has the data on the old system. And that is it. Bye-bye.